Hello, my name is Ioannis Dizoglou. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up your very first hosting account. You will need a hosting account in order to host your website, so other people around the world can actually see your website. For this example and for this tutorial I'm going to use Infinity Free. I'm just going to search and click on it, and then I'm going to select register. I'm going to put my credentials. I'm going to tick here this box and then sign up. So now I need to check my email. So I'm going to go to my email account and click verify. Once I have verified my account, I will be able to log on. The next thing we need to do is we need to select create account. Here you can actually select create now for free. Let's take this box. I'm going to put my name here, my surname. If you have a common surname, you can always put a number, your favorite number. Then here I'm going to try the 42web.io, so it's easy to remember. I'm going to check availability. I already used that, so I'm just going to put here number 2, check availability, and it's not being used. Let's exit this. I'm just going to check the password here. So I'm going to need this password for later use when I actually start creating database connections. Let's hide this again. And then I'm going to select I approve. And then I'm going to select create account. I'm going to select finished, and my account dizoglou2.42web.io is being created. So if I copy this link, let's close these pages here. I'm just going to paste this link here and press the enter key. Oops. Control. Oops. I think we put too much there. Okay, so dizoglou2.42web.io. Let's press enter. And now we have this page here. I'm going to go here now and select manage. And then I'm going to select open file manager. Another way to do it is if I exit this, let's click back to Infinity account. Here is my website. As you can see, I've got multiple websites here. So I can actually click the one that I just create the account for. And then I'm going to select control panel. I'm going to select I approve. And here I've got available lots of different tools available for me. To get started, we are going to use online file manager. And I'm going to select htdocs folder. I'm going to create a new file by clicking on the plus icon, select new file, and I'm going to call my new file index.html. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to create a basic HTML structure, which is basically HTML tag. I'm opening the HTML tag. I'm going to skip a couple of lines. I'm going to close the HTML tag. Let's use the control and the wheel on my mouse, or control and plus, to zoom in so you can actually see this more clearly. So I'm just going to create a head tag. I'm going to skip a couple of lines and I'm going to close the head tag. Let's put the / here. Within my head tag, I'm going to create a title tag. And then I'm going to close the title tag. Within my title tag, I'm going to add Ioannis website. Let's put cool website. And here I'm going to put a header 1 tag. And I'm just going to copy and paste this here, Ioannis cool website. And I'm going to close the header 1 tag. Now below that, I'm going to create a paragraph tag, and I'm going to close the paragraph tag. And I'm going to type here, welcome to Ioannis School website. Here you will be able to view news, events, and more. Okay, so I've created the header tag and the paragraph tag. However, I have not created the body tag. So below the head tag, the closing head tag, I'm going to create a body tag. And after the paragraph tag and right above the closing HTML tag, I'm going to close the body tag. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit and use Control minus. So as you can see, this is the basic structure of HTML. So we have the closing HTML tag, the opening HTML tag, the closing body tag, the opening body tag, the content which will be within our body, and here we have the head tag, where in the head tag we include in the title tag. Now spaces in HTML doesn't mean anything, but try to keep your code consistent, but at the same time easy to read. I'm going to click the auto save and then click save anyway. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put this page on one side and I'm going to put the other page on the other side so I can actually work on them instantly. So now I have actually generated my index.html. I can refresh this page now. I will be able to see my title here. The information that I put here, it shows here on the tab. So if I put some asterisks here and click save and refresh, I can actually see the asterisks here. So this is my title tag. Within my body, so this is my body, the main body of the web page, I've got a header tag, which is here, Ioannis School website, and then I've got a paragraph tag, which says welcome to Ioannis School website. Okay. Now, the next thing we need to do is learn how to basically apply some CSS. Now, there's multiple ways to apply CSS. One of the ways we can apply CSS, let's change the color of the header. So I'm going to put a space. I'm going to press the space bar here. I'm going to type style equals, and then in double quotes, I'm going to put color, American spelling color. I'm just going to change that to red, a semicolon to end my statement. Now, because we already selected the autosave, if I click anywhere, automatically will save the document for me. So if I refresh this page now, I can see that the text color on my header has changed. We can actually apply exactly the same way. We can actually apply a style on the, let's copy this style, on the paragraph tag. Okay, the paste is not there. I'm just going to use Control V to paste. And I'm just going to change the color to green. I'm going to click save, or I have not clicked save, it automatically saves this for me. So I can click here, I can actually see the text color change to green. Another way to apply styles is by actually using classes. So within my head tag and above the title tag, I can create a style tag. And then I'm going to close the style tag. Within my style tag, within my opening and closing style tag, what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a style. I'm going to say dot header, or let's put, we don't even have to put space here. And here I'm just gonna, here I'm creating my own style. That's how I'm starting, why I'm starting with the dot. But here I'm using the tag of the name of the tag. So here is the P tag. And I'm gonna open a curly bracket. So I'm gonna copy the style here, color green, and I'm gonna apply this here. Let's Control V to paste. And I'm going to copy this, Control V to paste here. And here I just need to change the style to a class. And then I'm going to put the name of the class. So here is header. So that's my class, header. But here I don't have to put anything because I'm referring to the P tag. I can achieve the same thing for the H1 tag by actually, stating here H1, and then we can actually apply this. So I'm just going to comment this out for now. So this is how you add in, you comment it out the CSS code. Let's save this. Yeah, my internet just dropped. That's okay. Okay, it just came back again. So let's save this. Okay. So now if I refresh the page, I won't be able to see anything different. But here we have the paragraph tag. So if I change the color from green to, let's say, blue, and click away, so it saves automatically for us. So as you can see, now this style, the P style, refers to any paragraph. So if I have multiple paragraphs, I don't have to code every single paragraph. So by actually putting the P tag here and apply the style, any tag with any P tag will basically have the font color to change to blue. By following the same process, we can actually change the font size as well. So we can font hyphen size colon. Let's make it 24 pixels. Semicolon to add my statement. Click save, refresh, and now my font color, it became 24 pixels. So you can actually apply the same, multiple different styles to a specific paragraph. Now, if I don't want to apply this style to every single paragraph, I'm just gonna create this bespoke style. So I'm gonna call it my first paragraph, my P tag. Okay, as you can see, I have not put any spaces. So now, because I have put a dot, I created a bespoke style. So now here I have to generate a class. And this class will be equals to, and I need to basically Control C to copy and Control V to paste this style here, because I don't want to type it manually to save time. So now if I actually save this and refresh, this style will be applied for me. So if I change that to orange, it will change the font color to orange. So this is multiple ways to apply a style, okay, into your tag. Now, the next thing we need to do is basically learn how to add a picture. So in order for us to add a picture, we need to add a picture, an image tag. So after my header and before my paragraph tag, I'm going to create an image tag. So img, and I'm going to select the source, src, is equals to, I'm going to apply the source, and then I can apply the width, and I can change the height as well. But the width is absolutely just fine. Okay, automatically, if you don't specify the height, the height will basically adjust automatically. Now, in order for me to call the picture, I need to go back to the file manager. So let's save this and let's close this tab here. So here I need to upload a picture. So I'm just going to click upload a file from my computer. So I'm just going to select this picture here. And it's a good idea not to have spaces, between the words. And I'm just going to copy the name of my picture. Click OK. And now I've got the name of the picture. I'm going to go back to index.html. Let's zoom out a bit. I select edit. I can zoom in now again. And on the source, I'm going to specify where the picture is. And I'm just going to change the width to 100%, so you can take the full length of my page. So automatically saves it for me. I'm going to go here now, refresh, and now I've got the actual picture. Now, if I reduce the size of the web page, because I set it up to percentage, so it will always follow 100%. However, if I change that to pixels, click save. Oops, still saving. As you can see, I can control, and now it doesn't really matter what width I have on my web page. It will always change, stick to this size. So let's bring this to maybe 800, so we can actually see exactly what's happening here. So if I now adjust the width, as you can see, the picture disappears. So I'm cutting off content of this picture. Okay, so let's change that to 100% again. Okay, that's better. So in the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a nice and fancy banner and how we're going to actually generate a footer of our on our website that will basically always stay at the bottom, and we will be able to actually learn how to also create a fancy menu that will go at the top. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.